And at these annual conferences, we go very in depth to help you understand the disease, understand the things that can be done to ease the signs and symptoms, and perhaps most importantly, you get to meet the people in the hypoparathyroidism community.
I have not had a community for this disease in the last 5 years of dealing with it, and I have been very isolated as a result of it. I have great friends, I have great family, and I have a great support system, but I don't have anybody who feels closely to what I feel physically.
There are a few points that I'd like patients to take away from the conference. One is that there are lots of people around here who care about the disease. Secondly, research studies are very important to understand the disease and the complications and the treatment. So I encourage patients to be open-minded for studies.
Being here and meeting the people that have the same problems face to face, and being able to talk to them about their journeys and what they're doing, and encouraging them to go maybe into a clinical trial like I've done, I think is a great benefit.
Every year there's something new to learn. I've learned something. I've come for 4 years and I've learned something new every year I've come, because there's always new developments and the doctors are always researching and learning from us, and it's very important for further treatment of our disease. Quality of life can get better.
This conference is a tremendous resource for them to learn about how to manage their disease, how to find resources in their community to help manage the problems they have, which impact their quality of life, their ability to work.
The association really helped me to be a more active participant in my own health care, to know what questions to ask, to know how to look at my own health, and to know what I need to know to be able to give the information to my doctor.
These annual conferences have been a tremendous experience as well. You have doctors who are coming from around the world who are experts in their field, and they're all in one place.
One young man, this time decided last week that he wanted even though his wife couldn't come and she has hypoparathyroidism, on the last minute he made the arrangements and came to the conference. He had the visa and could travel, and he's taking copious notes and talking to doctors and finding out what he can do to help his wife when he gets home.
Just hearing other people talk about the brain fog and how it affects them and how it's so hard to concentrate and the fatigue factor of all of it, it's kind of bringing me full circle to really understand and fully comprehend the things that Laurie has been describing to me.
There's a lot of information that is being transferred both ways, from physicians to patients, but also from the patients to the physicians. To be there to hear that, to interact with that, I think is a great opportunity, because number one, you can talk to other patients, find out what their experience has been compared to your own, and then decide, perhaps the way you're doing things could be done better or changed. Correspondingly, there's also the chance to talk to the expert that otherwise there'd be no way to talk to them unless you went to visit them in their clinic while they're here at the meeting, and to ask them the kinds of questions that you're thinking about, wondering about, that sometimes the home doctors have not paid attention to or sort of minimized and just really kind of blown off.
And the people here are amazing. This organization is one of the best places I have ever been, and I'll never miss another one.
This is my very first conference, and I hate that I didn't come sooner. I really do. I mean, I'm meeting people like me. I'm even meeting people almost just like me.
And I can say definitely this will be the first of many conferences that we attend.
Can't believe it. It's awesome.